If you're seeing a Capcut network error and you can't download your project, effects, or assets, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a couple of quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a simple step-by-step guide, so even if you're not technical, you can follow along and get Capcut working again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy app fix videos just like this. Let's jump right in. First, the easiest thing to try is switching your connection. If you're currently on Wi-Fi, turn it off and switch to mobile data. Sometimes your Wi-Fi connection may be slow, unstable, or blocked from downloading certain files. If you're using mobile data already, do the opposite and connect to a different Wi-Fi network. The goal here is to test a different internet connection and see if Capcut starts downloading normally. After switching, go back to Capcut and try to download again. If it still shows the same network error, the next fix is to clear Capcut's cache. Cache files can build up over time and sometimes cause loading and download issues inside the app. To do this, open Capcut and go to the menu, then tap Settings and look for cache size. From there, clear the cache to remove temporary files that may be causing the error. Once the cache is cleared, fully close Capcut and reopen it, then try downloading again. In many cases, these two steps are enough to fix the problem, switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and clearing the app cache. If you're still having trouble after that, wait a few minutes and try again, because sometimes the issue can also be temporary on Capcut servers or caused by a weak internet signal. But most of the time, a connection change and cache clear will get things working again. If this video helped you fix the Capcut network error, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.